Hello students. So in this class we'll discuss what are the features of working capital. So the nature of working capital has been discussed below. First one, it is used to purchase raw material, payment of wages and expenses. Working capital is used, as you all know, working capital is used in day-to-day activities. So first point is it is used to purchase raw material, payment of wages and expenses. So working capital, this capital is used in day-to-day wages payment and day-to-day raw material purchases and day-to-day expenses. So working capital is the capital which is required in our day-to-day activities. So first point is it is used for purchase of raw material and payment of wages and expenses. Okay. So second point, it changes from constantly to keep the wheels of business moving. So working capital is not fixed. Okay, so working capital will be increased one day and it will be decreased one day. So working capital is actually fluctuating, so it is variable, it keeps on changing from day to day. So working capital, so second feature of working capital is it changes. Okay, so it fluctuates. So okay, so third point, it generates and elements cost, namely material, wages and expenses. So what working capital will do? Working capital will buy raw materials and payment of wages and expenses. Okay, same as first point. So fourth point, working capital enhances liquidity, solvency, credit worthiness and reputation of enterprise. So working capital enhances liquidity. Liquidity means that is capital is being used in the business. Okay, so solvency, credit worthiness and reputation of the enterprise. So working capital, it is that amount of capital which is used in day to day business activities. It also gets the reputation of the enterprise and the liquidity and solvency and credit worthiness. Okay, so fifth point, it enables the enterprise to avail cash discount and facilities offered by the supplier. It enables the enterprise to avail cash discount and facilities offered by supplier. So working capital will provide a facility of cash discount. Okay, so sixth one, it helps improve the morale of business executives and their efficiency reaches to the highest climax. It helps to improve the morale of business executives. Okay, morale of business executives means while using the capital in day to day activities, then the executives or managers who are in managing the enterprise will be having the high morale or high intelligence, and they will get an idea of working capital which is required in day to day activities. So sixth one, it facilitates expansion program of the enterprise and helps in maintaining operational efficiency of fixed assets. So day to day operation is working capital. So working capital facilitates the expansion program of the enterprise and helps in maintaining operational efficiency. Means the use of fixed assets or the use of uh, amount in business enterprise will be used efficiently while using working capital. So these are the features of working capital. So working capital is used in day-to-day business activities. It is used for purchase of raw material, payment of wages and expenses in day-to-day business activities. It changes constantly and keep the wheels of business moving. Working capital is not same every day. Working capital is changing daily from one day to another. One day there will be increase in working capital, another day it will be a decrease in working capital. Okay, so working capital will be keep on changing. Next one, it generates and eliminates cost, namely material wages and expenses. What working capital will do? Working capital will generate material wages and expenses. So fourth one, working capital enhances liquidity, solvency, creditworthiness and reputation of the enterprise. The use of working capital, if there is a proper use of working capital, then there will be increase in profit and the company will also get its reputation. Next point, it enables the enterprise to avail the cash discount facilities offered by a supplier. It helps improve the morale of business executives and their efficiency reaches the highest climax. Next one, uh, it facilitates expansion program of an enterprise and helps in maintaining operational efficiency of fixed asset. In working capital, the efficiency of fixed assets or efficiency of everything will be done. Okay, so working capital is capital which keeps on changing from one day to another. It is the amount used in a business enterprise in day-to-day business activities. It keeps on changing. The purchase of raw material, payment of wages and expenses, then the reputation, the liquidity of the firm. Okay, so working capital is the most important in financial management because uh, in a firm, if the firm want to run, then the working capital should be used in an efficient and effective manner. So in last class we have discussed the types of working capital. The types were permanent working capital, regular working capital, reserve margin working capital, variable working capital, seasonal variable working capital, special variable working capital, gross working capital and net working capital. Okay, so in today's class we have discussed the features of working capital. Thank you.